Hi, I'm Rach.
And I'm Dan.
Welcome to Workout 4 of your 28-day Les Mills Body Combat training program.
Today we start with an upper and lower body warm-up.
And then get into some combat training to wrap up your first week of Body Combat.
Let's go.
Let's warm up the body, feel pretty good, learn the names of the strikes. You put your right leg forward, put your hands up, relax your shoulders. Easy jab, easy cross. That's one right, one left. And just notice how you roll the body forward, release through the feet. Beautiful. New strike. Watch this rhythm. You go right, right, left. Jab, jab, cross. Now there's no power here. We're just placing the strike. But we're already starting to fire our brains. All right, jab, cross only, right, left. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're thinking light, we're moving a little faster, lifting the energy now. Combination number 1, watch this. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Jab, cross combo, bump, bump, bump. On that second jab, start to move your foot forward a little bit, watch. Pow, pow. Fast feet is fast reactions. Nice and light. Your target's high here. Warming up to the shoulders, warming up to the back, and warming up to the core. One more. Now hold your ground. Double right uppercut. Now double left. Good. Rolling forward and rotating at the same time. Aiming directly under, so keep your elbows close to your rib cage. 4 single uppercuts. Now hook right left, stand up. Lean forward, stand up. Look at that, already you're learning some levels. On the hooks, let's see if you can get your elbow in line with your wrist. So we keep the workload in the shoulders and we warm up the body even more efficiently. And because we are warming up, let's just start to almost manipulate this a little bit. Let's go a little bit bigger. You're shuffling forward fast, left cross now. Shuffle back, right short hook, go. Now twist your hip and your foot. Elbows tight, gonna pick up the pace and pick up the energy. Holding ground, jab cross, combo. Jab, jab, cross, go, bump, bump, bump. Awesome. 1, 1, 2. Retract your hands back to your face in boxing guard, and then when you're ready, we're adding that footwork again. Forward, bump, bump. Now let's see how good you are on the second jab. In fact, don't even let us know you're gonna throw it. Let's see. And time. Good, we're firing. This is good stuff. Still on the other side. Easy jab, easy cross. Left, right. Nice deep breaths here. Big rotation. How you guys doing? You okay? Oh, what about the rest of you? Feel good? We're gonna bring that little bit of combo. Watch. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Hold your ground. Jab cross. Let's go. Left, right. 10 more seconds. Stand up a little taller. And if you want, start to twist a little faster. Combo. Let's go. Now back to the footwork. Gently push forward. And have real purpose here as you're twisting. Hip, heel, right through the middle, all right? Bump, bump, bump. One more. Double left upper and double right. So now we're moving like a figure of 8. You're rounding, and you're coming up and under, and you're using your legs. 4 singles, left, right, hook, left, right. Let's strike through the midline of the body. Retract the hands back to your face, so you always stay protected. Crunch your abs a little bit. And as you stand up, just throw the hook with just a little bit more power, but only just. All right, quick shuffle forward, go. Right cross, bump, left short hook. Now try and preload. So twist, just before. Good stuff, keep it coming. Here it is, jab thrust combo, go. 1, 1, 2, ba, ba, ba. Beautiful stuff. Your chin tucks down. And I think you guys are ready for that extra little bit of challenge. On that second jab, don't let us know you're gonna throw it. You ready? Bomb, say. Now you've got true speed. Shoot. Big breath out. Last one. Time.
Let's warm the legs. Nice and easy. 3, 2, 1, step left. Pull the hand to the hip. Knee drops into the middle of the body. Pull the hip forward, heel to butt. You can stay grounded or bounce. Just starting to warm through the legs and the core. Medium intensity. Start to take the hands just a little higher. And if you want to, you can always move it up. Start to push the hips forward. Brace core to support lower back. Guard nice and high. Karate. Front kick on the right. Quick switch left. Go. Kick, step, step, change. While the foot drives forward just to the knee. Push the hips forward. Shoulders lean away. Retract the kick to warm the hamstrings. Next move. Push kick. A little bit of kickboxing / Muay Thai. Lift the knee and cycle the kick. 4 to go. We're gonna set up the right roundhouse. Come to us. Turn the heel towards us. Show us the shin, knee in line with the ankle. And once you got that, let's kick low. Roundhouse and strike to the knee. Point the toe, strike with the top of the foot. Make sure you retract the kick. Pull the heel back to the butt. And always, you can move it on up, move it up. Just an inch. One more. Can we take it 1 more inch higher now? Lengthen the arm for balance. 1 more time. Take it wide. Shuffle right. Side kick. Shuffle back, scissors the feet 4 times, right, left. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the side kick, turn the heel towards your opponent. Push, pull the knee. Keep the eyes on the target. And when you scissor, hands up, heels down. 1 more. Finish here, jump wide. Let's do it on the left. Left roundhouse setup. Push the hips forward a little more. This is my song. Send the kick. Let's focus on the landing. Keep the knees wide, nice and soft. The good wide base gives us more balance in the kick so we can move it up, move it up. Wide, chest up. Stretch it 1 more inch. Just the waist height. Take it wide. Shuffle, left. Side kick. Scissor, left, right, 4 times. This side, let's work on range. Don't take it too high. Focus on control. And as you shuffle, can you take the squat a little lower? 1 more. Wide, A-frame.
Kickboxing training. Are you ready? Awesome. Right foot forward, boxing guard up. Jab, cross, scoop, hold. Go. Jab, cross, scoop, hold. Aim for the nose, the lip and the chin. Add on. 1 knee, 1 check. Go.
Everybody wants
knee, check. Aim for the stomach, check to the side. When you're ready, freeze your check. Bring your knee up and your elbow tucked down. Out of push. Push your opponent's chest with the heel of your hand away from you. Lift it up on your toes. Stay light on your feet so you are able to react and counter faster. New move. Step kick to the side. Step, kick, step, kick. Kick down, kick low. Kick with the heel and the side of your foot. Check the arms. Pull down and tuck in. Pull down, tuck in. And when you're ready, and a half. This move, it's called the thunder kick. And for the evasive side kick, step to the side, knee facing the outside. Bring your knee up, kick down, and rechange. One more. Hold from the top. Chop cross. Go. Keep protecting your ribs by tucking down your elbows and bringing up your knee. Let's put it all together. Chop cross hook. Add on thunder kick. Evasive side kick. And if you want an extra peak of training, prepare for takeoff. Land soft on your knee or stay on the floor and feel the power through your heel. Hold.
Oh.
Boom.
How you guys doing? Same but different. Left leg forward. Jab, cross, hook, knee. Check. Check what? Check your breath, check yourself. And when you're ready, add a bit of power and rack it up. Kirana! Rack it up! Rack it up. That's what we do in body combat. We get the freeze because right now, you don't know if I'm going to punch you, kick you, or how about some of this? Push it up. That's right. We use the heel of the hand to push our chest of our opponent away. Shoulder protects the jaw. Ready? On your toes. Push it up. Right now, power. That means lift your heel off the floor. Quite often in kickboxing, we're here. Yes, yes. All right, just the kicks. Just the kicks. You got to learn it on the other leg now. The thunder kick uses the heel and the evasive side kick. Use your arms to squeeze your glutes and bring your hips through. So fiery. Ready, Sanchez?
Ready?
I don't need a hammer. I have a thunder kick. Go! Oi. 8 reps. This is slow, which means you can load with power. The power comes from bringing your knee up and pushing out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oi. Let's go, Lana. Last one, left foot forwards. Say what? Say what? Better watch your mouth. Oh! How do you wash your mouth in kickboxing? You protect it with your shoulder. Tuck your chin in. Now we're looking for power. Power on the knee. Ready? Pull, pull, push. Pull, push. Whole combo. Add on the kick. Step kick. We're staying down, yeah? We're learning. We're learning. Looking good, Basil. I see you, bro. And I raise you 4 reps. Maximum To the end, ready?
Let's go.
How do we go? 3, 3 reps to go. Feel free to stay down. So much power on the ground.
And that's the end of week 1 of your 28-day Les Mills Body Combat training program.
We'll keep working on your technique and fitness next week.
And really lift your heart rate before ripping into some awesome power training.
See you then.